Right, we'll give us a countdown, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get you involved as well. Okay, so we'll go from 3, 2, 1, go! Go on, ladies and gentlemen, cheer him on. These coal bags are 25 kilo. Chuck it on the floor, gents, and run back. That's it, don't leave your crew members down. There's Guinness on the line. Who's going to be first off? Oh, Jack's left his brake on. Oh, we've got the marshal enabling off the way. As I said, it's not a race, it's a skill set. This is when I get really nervous now. So they're going to come to the end, they're going to stop, and as the one jumps off and does his best Tinder pose, the other one's going to spin it around. Jack's got a good thumbs up. Come on, Sam, give us all you've got. Come on, Sam. There we are, head on the way back. I didn't see a post from Doug there. He's on his way back. If he runs over coal that's worth £1,000 a ton, so please don't run over it. But the marshal's on the way back. Come on, Jack, gold medals at stake here. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, cheer him on. We're going to get that over. There we are, the mascot's had it, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a round of applause. And he's even gone to get his coal back. Well done, ladies and gents. Thank you very much, Engine Though, it's much appreciated. And I'll get you your prize now, Ed. I don't know whether there was a bit of cheating on. I didn't see much of a pose then. Who do we think gave us the best pose? Was it Jack on the end with his thumbs up, or was it Sam with the equipment? I'm not too sure. Let's have a round of applause for Jack then, with his pose. Oh, this is a good show, that's a good show. What about Sam with his bit of a hit move? Yay! We've got a bit of a smatter in here. I don't know what you did though, to be honest. You just sat there and smiled at me. But I think that's unanimous in the fact that even though Jack didn't win the race, he did the best pose for us. So give Jack a wonderful round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.